Welcome back to Elysian Byte. In today's video, we'll dive into a powerful tool called Etherscan and show you how to find new crypto projects on Etherscan. Etherscan is a widely used blockchain explorer specifically designed for the Ethereum network. It allows users to explore, analyze, and interact with the Ethereum blockchain. But did you know that Etherscan can also help us discover new crypto projects? Let's find out how. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Etherscan.io. Once there, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections, such as Home, Tokens, and Contracts. One way to find new crypto projects is by exploring the Tokens section on Etherscan. Here, you'll find a list of tokens built on the Ethereum blockchain. You can sort them by various criteria, such as market capitalization or transaction volume. When you come across a token that catches your interest, click on its name to access its detailed information. Etherscan provides valuable insights, such as the token's contract address, total supply, current price, and trading history. Make sure to explore the token's official website and social media channels for further research. Etherscan also allows you to track the contract activity of a specific token. By analyzing the transaction history, you can gain insights into how active and engaged the community is. Look for frequent transfers, interactions with decentralized applications, dApps, or any significant events related to the token. Engaging with the community is crucial when researching new crypto projects. Etherscan provides a platform for users to discuss tokens and contracts. Explore the Discussions tab to find conversations related to your chosen project. Participating in these discussions can help you gain valuable insights and make informed investment decisions. Etherscan offers a notification feature that allows you to stay updated on the latest activities of your chosen projects. By setting up notifications for specific addresses or contracts, you'll receive alerts whenever there are new transactions or events related to those projects. That's it for today's video on uncovering new crypto projects using Etherscan. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in your crypto exploration journey. Remember to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.